a water landing, don't bother looking under the seat. There are no life jackets. You're gonna have to swim. Just sit back and enjoy the ride.
And who closed the door?
Who closed the door? He's the conductor. He drives the train. Do you see somebody driving it up there?
Now, before we arrive at the North Pole, we'll be traveling through a wooded area known to have quite a few bears.
Hi, Henry.
But nothing.
Here's Henry.
These are all friendly bears.
Do you see bears?
Children through an area with angry, aggressive bears might be kind of bad for business. So, let's see what these bears are up to today.
Watch the bears.
Oh,
Do you want to see how I look?
red-nosed reindeer, ever shiny nose.
Is the bear singing?
Folks, would you look at that? It's a bear cookout.
They're having a cookout. They're having dinner.
Do you see the raccoons?
They're eating the food.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been a bear or good. So
A bear.
bear or good.
He's the bear singing.
Well, we need those burgers.
Do you like it?
I can't keep them entertained much longer. Well, we
You want to sit on your own seat? Okay.
more burgers.
I'd like to see.
To the woods. Clem, it looks like there's about 25
you want to
humans,
see
but I
another
done
bear?
100 burgers or so.
Well, up on the right are my good friends, the Johnsons, Cat. What in the world? Looks like they're having a party tonight. Boy, I don't think these bears are related to the Johnsons.
What do you think, Henry?
Who's there?
They're jumping on the bed.
So now that we've gotten out of bear country and we've turned the Sylvan Express around, we're now ready to head south to the North Pole.
We're going to the North Pole. That's where Santa lives.
Well, our first stop is the Elf Christmas Tree Repair Center. Now, some of our elves have been working here for hundreds of years and really know their stuff. But, guys, you may want to pull the plug on the tree Otto's working on. He's getting zapped again.
Oh no. Oh my. Thanks. What do you think, Henry? That's an old man in there. Here's the extra grills.
Well, let's cut through the tracks by the reindeer grocery.
Henry's like, they're right down there.
Oh, by the way, just act like we're not driving a train right through the middle of the store. You see the elf employees? They get a bit whiny about that sort of thing.
They're going to the store. Oh, you're driving a train in the store. There's reindeer. Oh, the reindeer stopped working. There's elves on the ladder.
Taking a nap.
What do you think, Will?
Hey! You're a train! Trains are not allowed in the store! Do I need to call my manager?
What do you think, Henry?
Welcome to Kringles!
Is this a cool train ride? Is it cool? He's like, yeah, I want mama.
I'm a train!
Do I switch?
You could really be in trouble!
You want to sit with mama?
Kringles!
You want to sit on Papa's lap, Willie? Okay.
Just a small problem. We've just been informed by the North Pole Train Traffic Control that the main track into the North Pole's closed due to an overturned one rail car full of candy canes. Now it's a sticky mess. It could take hours to eat up. Clean up. So we're being routed through the service tunnel that leads directly into Santa's workshop. This could be very interesting.
That's what he said.
Would you look at this? Now we're passing right by the Reindeer Gym and Health Spa. As top athletes, the team needs to be in tip-top shape to pull Santa's sleigh all over the world. These guys are good. Clear the corner of Bravo Hawkins. It's Rudolph with the media.
Was that Rudolph? Did you see him?
Are we in the tunnel?
Hey, here's a treat for you. On the right, we're passing the sleigh shop on a very busy day. A lot going on this time of year, as you can guess. The elf mechanics repair and maintain Santa's fleet of sleighs. It takes a lot of oil, grease, milk, and cookies to keep this thing flying. What an operation.
Do you like it, buddy? Yeah.
Hey, we're just about to the end of the service tunnel and ready to pull into the station. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the North Pole.
Yep.
Who was that? Who's that guy?
Oh, did you get after him? I think so.
Are you going to go see that guy? I got anything just him.
Alright. No, thank you, she said.
Time to get out. We'll get back on in a minute.
We'll come back in. Come on. You guys go home for this. Mama will hold your hand.
If you wouldn't mind coming up and see me a train car at a time, that would be lovely. No particular order necessary. Let's get started, shall we? Come on up.
That's fine.
Who's gonna go first and see him? You should let us. You can let the other braver kids go up. Okay, do you want to watch the other kids do it? The other kids are gonna go up there. And they'll show you that it's not scary. You want to color a coloring sheet while you wait? He's got a coloring sheet. Or you can play Thomas over here. You can, yeah.
Oh, there's coloring.
You do your coloring.
My turn. Time to go first.
You'll be second.
I'll go.
I'm doing this.
I'll